everybody. I'm Chim by name, and I just got my first singles out about 2 days old, titled "The Sound of a Bobo," and I was just on my way out, and on a second thought, I felt okay. Let me give the world a tip of what you guys should be expecting from me. Um, I'm coming out with something different, something I love doing, something that makes me just feel me, something that makes me feel just me. And just hope that you folks get to enjoy it. Thanks so much.
It's cruz, baby. I speak the truth only. So listen. That's the sound of a bobo. That's the sound of a bobo. If you don't, you can get caught. And if you got, you know what that means. That's the sound of a bobo. That's the sound of a bobo. Every storm in every strength and every red in every house. Trying to fish these fellas out, trying to put a stop to the selling down. On the street of Philadelphia, the bobo be searching. These fellas be hiding, the bobo be coming. These fellas be running from the justice that I deserve. Like the someone said, I think this is absurd. Fellas got me strong, cause I know the bobo be walking, making sure these fellas are off the street, making sure they never sell out the street. Yeah, I know they're coming to get your house slipping, but yeah, that's the sound of a bobo. Run away. That's the sound of a bobo. Run away. If you don't, you can get cut. Run away. And if you got, you know what that means. That's the sound of a bobo. That's the sound of a bobo. I know a brother, all comes in the pole. He was pushing dope, he was cut, he was hung. What's down the point if you not trying to make money? There's no shortcut to greatness. Success is all about hard work. That's the key of unlocking the door of greatness. I believe if we're all doing right things, we could create a society where we're all living. There's no point in cheating, there's no point in killing. All I'm saying is we'll stop and kill the team before the popo and coming together as simple. That's the sound of a bobo. Run away. That's the sound of a bobo. Run away. If you don't, you can get cut. Run away. And if you got, you know what that means. That's the sound of a bobo. That's the sound of a bobo. I know these fellas wanna get rich. I know these fellas wanna live big. Living in luxurious houses, in the luxurious cars.